The T-Mobile app, called My T-Mobile, allows you to view your call and text message history. To access this, log in with your T-Mobile ID using two-factor authentication for security. Under the Calls section, you'll see a detailed history with timestamps, durations, and contact names if synced. The Messages tab displays SMMS threads, including sender, recipient, timestamps, and message content. Note that you need a compatible device linked to the account. Data is near real-time, but historical access is limited to 90 days for standard plans. In 2025, T-Mobile rolled out Smart Insights, an optional feature using machine learning to flag unusual activity, like high international calls. While the app provides convenient access, there are important limitations and privacy considerations to be aware of. Data retention is typically limited to 90 days due to data minimization principles. Accessing older data requires special requests, such as legal subpoenas. Only the primary account holder can view full details on shared plans, unless parental controls grant access to sub-users. T-Mobile employs encryption to protect your data. You can opt out of detailed text viewing to use summary-only mode for enhanced privacy. Optional features like Smart Insights use machine learning to flag unusual activity, but this raises privacy concerns. MMS attachments display previews in the app, but require device-side access to prevent unauthorized downloads. Stay informed through in-app notifications regarding T-Mobile's data retention policies. After a data breach affecting 47 million users, T-Mobile implemented stricter retention caps and mandatory data deletion prompts to enhance privacy protections.